What we're seeing in today's market in Clark County is buyers are ready to buy, sellers are not as ready to sell. And a lot of that has to do with interest rates and strategies. And so, what we're doing to bridge that gap is starting open house blitzes in specific neighborhoods. It basically involves a 1 week commitment where we do many open houses in a neighborhood to see what value your home may get if we bring in enough buyers. It's an opportunity for you to dip your toe in the water and say, do I want to play in this game? So if you have been thinking about selling your home, you just don't know if it's worth it, is it the right time, all those strategic kind of conversations, I'm happy to have those with you. My team is ready to go. And we're sending this out to a couple of different neighborhoods, and we're going to start with a neighborhood Friday, Saturday, Sunday that has at least 10 homes that we can do 1 hour open houses in. If you would like to participate or you have any questions about it, please feel free to give me a call, 360-687-3131. You can text me there for a quick response as well. And I hope you have a great day.